Good morning to my respected lecturer and all my friends. My name is Laudia Sofianti and my student ID number is 2223240122. Today for my academic speaking midterm test, I will be presenting the findings from a journal article. The article I chose is titled Students' Motivation in Learning English, a study in senior high school in Indonesia. The article was written by Andi Asrifan and Anita Chandra Dewi and was published in ITKAN Jurnal Ilmu-Ilmu Kependidikan in 2023. The main purpose of this research was very clear. The researchers wanted to find out if there is a real statistical correlation or relationship between students' motivation to learn English and their actual academic performance in the subject. In other words, they wanted to answer the question, does having higher motivation directly lead to getting better English scores? To find this answer, the researchers used a quantitative method, specifically a correlational design. The study was conducted at SMA Negeri 2 Sidrap with a sample of 30 second grade students. The researchers used two main instruments to collect their data. First, they gave the students an English achievement test. This test covered all four language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Second, they gave the students a motivation questionnaire to measure how high or low their motivation was. So, what were the results? The findings were very significant. The study confirmed that there is a strong and positive correlation between students' motivation and their English achievement. This is the most important number from the research. The analysis showed that 72.59% of the students' success in English was contributed by their motivation. That means that motivation, which the article calls variable X, is a major factor that influences the students' scores. And the study scores here is called variable Y. The correlation value itself was 0.852, which the study classifies as high level of correlation. The study also noted that the other 25.41% was likely influenced by other factors that were not measured in this specific research. So in conclusion, this article successfully proves that motivation is not just a small factor, but also a critical and measurable contributor to a student's success in learning English. It provides statistical evidence that students with higher motivation do, in fact, tend to perform better in their English studies. I believe this research is a valuable reminder for us as future educators that focusing on building and maintaining student motivation is just as important as teaching the grammar or vocabulary itself. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.